Hi everyone. The 15th term of an arithmetic series is 143 and the 31st term is 183. We're going to find the first term and the common difference, and then we're going to find the 100th term of the series. So we'll get started, and we're basically using this formula: a sub n equals your first term plus your number of terms minus 1 times the common difference. So let's just write this out as we have it. So the 15th term equals the first term plus my n is 15. So that's going to be 15 minus 1 times d. Now this equals, your 15th term is 143. And for the second part, our 31st term equals a plus my n is 31 minus 1 times d, and that, my 31st term, or this actually equals 183. Now we're going to do a system of equations, so I'll do this one first. We have a plus 30d equals 183. And for this one, we have a plus 14d equals 143. So we have a system of linear equations, and we're going to eliminate the a, and if you subtract each of these, you get 16d equals 40. Divide both sides by 16, you get d equals 40 divided by 16. Divide each piece by 8, and that's going to be 5 divided by 2. So you have your d. Now let's find our a by plugging that back in. So we have our d, supposedly. Let's check. So we have a plus 30 times 5 halves equals 183. No, that's, the first one. No. Yeah, we're doing the first one. 83. So you get a, 2 goes into 30 15 times. So that's going to be a plus 15 times 5 is 75 equals 183. Subtract 75 from both sides of the equation, and you get a equals 108. And I'm just going to double check and also plug in my 5 halves into this equation. Make sure I did it right. It should also be 108. So 2 goes into 14 7 times 7 times 5 is 35. If you subtract 35 from both sides of the equation, you get a equals 108. So we have our a and we have our d. So now we have to find the 100th term of the series. So we're going to use a sub n equals the first term plus n minus 1 times d. And our a was 108 and our d was 5 halves. So let's plug it in. Our 100th term equals a, which is 108, plus n is 100 minus 1, and our d is 5 halves. Simplifying further, we get 108, this is 99, so plus 99 times 5 halves. And when you put that all together, that's going to be 355.5. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.